David, one of the things we like to do on App Talks is always end with some peer-to-peer advice. So if I was in your shoes and I'm looking for an ERP solution, what advice would you give me?
You know, I think the two key pieces of advice are be persistent and be flexible. Persistence pays, obviously, and not everything is going to go the way you think it will when you draw things up on paper during the vendor selection and systems design process, right? And so you have to be ready to pivot when you encounter roadblocks during the install, and otherwise you'll stall out and lose momentum. So also, don't take no for an answer, because sometimes that roadblock, it looks like a roadblock, but it's just a speed bump. You know, there were a couple of instances where I got told no a few times, no, it won't work, and we persevered, and it did, and we got better systems functionality as a result, Kurt. I would add, have regular status meetings. Sounds simple, right? Be clear about how you assign accountability for action items and follow up during those status meetings. Get the C-level execs involved early in the process, as well as some sample power users during the systems design and even the vendor selection process, right? Those people can provide valuable insight in the selection process. And then you, of course, want to get the C-level execs and the key execs on board to get sponsorship for the install and the implementation.
Well, that's great advice. Thanks, David, very much for being here. Really enjoyed speaking with you. And thank you for joining us. And I look forward to seeing you on the next App Talks.